All right, Bobcats, we are working on continuing our journey as independent learners. So, what I want to show you is when you get onto Seesaw this week, you're going to click into Homeroom. And on Homeroom, you're going to see your learning map for this week. So click into your learning map. Once you're in your learning map, you're going to be able to add a response. Now, I'm going to show you as a sample student. As you're in your learning map and you're getting things done for this week, you can kind of use this as a virtual checklist. I got on Monday morning, I felt really excited, so I went ahead and got my math done. So I'm going to kind of cross out my math, and I got on and I was really excited about art, so I did art. And then my parents told me it's time to go away from the screen, so I'm going to turn in the work that I've gotten done so far. And when I turn that in, I can go back later. You can see where I did my math. You can see where I got my art done. Now, I got to the afternoon and I got another hour of screen time. So I'm going to go in. I'm going to edit this item. And now I'm in the mood for pink. And I did my reading work. I got my reading work done. And I went ahead and I watched my writing video on Seesaw with Miss Pedersen. So I'm going to go ahead and say, okay, I got that done. And you can see where it will update where you've gotten your work done. So every time you want to go in and you want to update it and do more work, you're just going to come in, edit the item, and do more work. So it's Tuesday morning. It's a yucky morning. It's kind of rainy. So I went ahead and I listened to Game Changers. I got that. Ooh, goodness. I got a little crazy there with the pen, so I'm going to undo it. I read Game Changers and I rated it. I read my stuff about forces with science, got it done. Wrote 5 words from the feature. Did some Spanish. Wrote a letter. I had a really great morning on Tuesday morning, but now I'm done. So I'm going to submit it. So Bobcats, by this point, I think you get the point of how this can be your virtual checklist, and you can keep track of your own learning. Where you see these little blue links, you can check that out as part of the directions, and you can use these links here. So if I want to join the virtual meeting, I'm going to be an independent learner. I'm going to check on the virtual meeting, and then I'm ready to go. I can join now when I'm ready, and then Mrs. Scott will see me at the meeting. Bobcats, I can't wait to see you being independent this week.